We're a growing business. We've added a lot of people to our teams in the last few years, and that just requires us to put people in machines that maybe aren't as seasoned. Our operator knew nothing about balers before he got in that machine, and I don't know that there's a better machine out there that I would trust for a green operator to get into than a ZR5, because a lot of it is figured out for you.
It does give me back a lot more time. Usually I'm running side by side with the pull behind, and if he does say 50 bales, I'm going to do about 80. So it helps quite a lot in time saving.